Hey guys, it's DJ. Welcome to my channel. I thought we'd kick things off by doing a little bit of a garden tour of what we got going on this year. We're a few of those lucky New Yorkers with some green space in our apartment, and we wanted to make the most of it. So let's check it out. So let's kick it off with the tomatoes. We have 3 different varieties this year, including Tomatillos. First time growing those. Over here on the left we have 2 Sungold yellow cherry tomatoes, 2 red Bing cherry tomatoes, and then 2 box Car Willies, which are some heirloom slicing tomatoes. Gotta love that siren. Moving on to our peppers, we have a few different kinds this year as well. We're doing 2 Shishito plants because 1 is never enough. We have a Jalepeño plant, we have hot cherry peppers, and first time this year doing some Jimmy Nardello peppers. Those are there in the back, courtesy of Evolutionary Organics out of New Paltz, New York, where we got all of these seedlings at our local farmers market. Moving on over, we have a Fairytale Eggplant back here. And in front of that, we have our pickling cucumbers. In between, we have some slicing cucumbers. Those are the classic Marketmore 7/6s. And we have yellow and green squash. 2 of my favorites. Grew up eating those from our family garden over in Jersey. And for my favorite part of the garden every year, the fresh herbs. We have a whole mix that we got from Scarborough Fields Organics out of the farmers market this year, and I'll go starting here. These are actually last year's chives, which made it through the winter, and we're trying to give them a little bit of new life this year. Sweet basil and Thai basil over here, Italian flat leaf parsley, Mojito Cuban mint. In the big one over here, we have common sage, Greek oregano, lemon thyme, and rosemary. Back here, we're trying out kale for the first time this year, doing some red variety that we got over from the folks at Evolutionary Organics, and for our cat Murphy, a fresh, beautiful catnip plant. Alright, so there you have it, a little tour of our garden, see what we had going on this year. We'll do some updates throughout the season as things grow and change and we add new plants, and hopefully as things actually are ready to harvest, we'll do some cooking and some other things with the herbs. And again, a huge shout out to the folks at Evolutionary Organics as well as Scarborough Fields for the seedlings this year, as well as the people at the Park Slope Green Market who are keeping things going through all of this. Thanks again for watching, and check out more soon.